All right, today, just like yesterday, I'm going to show you another riff that you can play with your thumb. This one's a bit more complicated, but also very useful. It's a basic riff used in a lot of rockabilly and blues, early rock and roll, as a bass line. And it's all single notes, and it's based on the major pentatonic scale. That's all it is. So the way it works in this, what is basically a blues progression, go ahead and play that twice, up and down. You can do it with your thumb or your fingers, thumb and fingers, or a pick. I'll play with my thumb. Twice, down and up. And the last time, before going all the way down to back to the G, go to the second string and play the whole thing again, but now you're on the second, from the second string down. Okay, then repeat the very first one, up and down, but not all the way down the last note, just the second last note. Okay, then go up to the 5th fret on the A string, all right, and just play the first 4 notes. And slide down to the C, the 3rd fret, play the first 4 notes. Okay, then to finish it, go back to the very, very beginning and just play up. So the whole progression is like this. Play it fairly fast. Should sound familiar to you. Yep, like that. All right, so again, very useful riff to know and a good exercise for your fingers. Start very slow and move it up to speed. Hope it's useful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.